This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Bashardadis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. It's been an action-packed and what should have been a positive week for risk assets, with the earnings season getting off to a good start, the Fed's Powell maintaining his pledge for ultra-accommodative policy, and Congress edging closer on both the partisan and bipartisan components of Biden's infrastructure plan. However, the prevalent theme during all this has been the ever-escalating spread of the Delta variant that's clouding the outlook for global growth. But the problem for the risk rally is that there are signs the global recovery lost steam even before the Delta variant became such a concern, hence the steady rush towards safe havens over the past month that has boosted the likes of the US dollar, yen, and Swiss franc, as well as gold and government bonds. The US dollar has survived Fed Chair Powell's dovish rhetoric in his testimonies this week, as apart from the risk-off trades, there's a growing sense that policymakers won't be able to keep the stimulus taps open for too long. However, the market mood is looking somewhat more upbeat on Friday, with the yen, franc, and gold slipping, and the 10-year Treasury yield rebounding 4 basis points from yesterday's one-week low. The dollar was flat against a basket of currencies, while the euro struggled to capitalize on the improved sentiment, but the pound advanced towards $1.3860 after surprisingly hawkish comments from the Bank of England's Michael Saunders. However, the big winner on Friday was the New Zealand dollar, which got a lift from stronger than expected CPI numbers. Earlier in the week, the RBNZ shocked markets by announcing it will halt its bond purchases later this month, prompting investors to price in a rate hike in August. Later in the day, U.S. retail sales will take center stage, which could weigh on the greenback if they decline again in June. But after yesterday's relatively robust data from the jobless claims and manufacturing surveys, a positive surprise could further boost the U.S. currency. In equity markets, European shares and U.S. stock futures were in the green despite tech stocks coming under pressure. The Nasdaq Composite slipped 0.7% on Thursday, and the S&P 500 fell 0.3%, with financial stocks being the few winners after this week's stellar earnings results from the big banks. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.